So our 10th question is, if A and B are rational numbers, find the values of A and B in each of the following equations. So first of all, they are given that square root of 3 plus square root of 2 by square root of 2 minus square root of 2. So 3 minus square root of 2. So here left hand side and right hand side, they are equal. That is, LHS will be equal to, what is that here is, so let's take square root of 3 plus square root of 2 whole divided by square root of 3 minus square root of 2. If you rationalize this, then we will get the answer. With that, we are going to compare the values. So RHS will be equal to A plus B. So A plus B square root of 6. So that was the answer. So we have to show that if you go with rationalizing factors, so we are going to rationalizing this. So rationalize, then rationalizing term will be equal to, so here denominator we will take, the denominator will not change but sign will change, square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So let's write square root of 3 plus square root of 2 whole divided by square root of 3 minus square root of 2, multiply and divide it with this value. So multiply and divide with square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So here we are going to multiply and divide this with this value. So what is that here is square root of 3 plus square root of 2 whole divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So that is our factorizing terms. So now here square root of 3 plus square root of 2 whole square we will get. Here square root of 3 plus square root of 2, that is A plus B into A plus B, that is A plus B whole square. Then square root of 3 minus square root of 2 into square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So what is that value here? So A plus B into A minus B. So what is that here is, so let's take A plus B into A minus B. I am writing it as A plus B into A minus B, that will be equal to A square minus B square. So that is the value here. So let's write A plus B whole square formula is, so what is that? A plus B whole square, A square plus 2AB plus B square. So that is the value here. So A is what? So root 3 whole square plus root 2 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2 whole divided by, what is the value here? Root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. So A square, so square and square root will going to cancel here, and this also will going to cancel. So that will be equal to 3 plus 2 plus 2 into square root of A into B, that is square root of A into square root of B square root of AB. So you can write it as 3 into 2 whole divided by 3 minus 2. So 3 plus 2 will be equal to 5 plus 2 square root of 6 whole divided by 3 minus 2 will be 1. So that is 5 plus 2 root 6. So what is the RHS term? The RHS term will be equal to RHS A plus B square root of 6, that will be equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Now what you can write here is, so let's take here, what you can write here is A is equals to 5. So compare all these expressions. So if you compare LHS and RHS, what you will get here is LHS and RHS, A will be equal to 5 and B is equals to 2. So that is the expression. Like this we need to solve. So here our second one is 5 plus root 3. So square root of 5 plus square root of 3 whole divided by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. So that is our value. See here left hand side, this is LHS. Then RHS, what is that? Then RHS will be equal to A minus B square root of 15. We need to make this expression as like this. So here rationalizing term will be equal to 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Only term will not change, only sign will be going to change. So multiply and divide with this value LHS, that is square root of 5 plus 3 whole divided by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3, that is multiply and divide with these values. So what is that here is, so square root of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3, so sorry here plus, by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. So that is our value. Then equate with these values. How to equate here is, So first term with the first and second term with the second. Like that we need to multiply. So first with the first and first with the second and second with the first and second with the second. So that is the way. So 5 root 5 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 into root 5 plus 2 root 5 into root 3 plus 3 root 3 into root 3 all divided by, so 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 here into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. So that is the value. So here a plus b into a minus b format it is came. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to what? That is a square minus b square. So here root 5 means, so what you can write here is 2 into root 5 whole square. So what is this here is, so let's take, so here 2 into square root of 5 whole square plus 3 into, what you can write it here is square root of a, square root of b, square root of a, b, you can write it like that. So square root of 3 into 5 plus 2 into square root of 3 into 5 plus 3 into square root of 3 whole square all divided by 2 root 5 whole square minus 3 root 3 whole square. So what is this here is square and square root will going to cancel. Here also square root will going to cancel. So 2 into 5 plus, you can take it as common as 2 into 3 5s are 15 plus 2 into 3 5s are 15 plus 3 into 3 whole divided by, you can divide like this, 2 square root 5 whole square minus 3 square root 3 whole square. Like this we can do. Here square and square root will going to cancel. Here also square root will going to cancel. So 2 5s are 10. What you will get here is 2 5s are 10 plus, you can take common of square root of 15. Then 3 plus 2 will be, we will get plus 3 3s are 9 whole divided by 4 into 5 minus 9 into 3. So what is that value here is? So let's take here. So that value will be equal to 10 plus 5 root 15 plus 9 whole divided by 4 5 is a 20, 9 3 is a 27. So what is this value here is? So what is this here? 19 plus 5 root 15, sorry, 20 minus 27 minus 7. So what you will get answer here is, so you can continue here 19. So equal to 19 plus 5 root 5. So root 15, 19 plus 5 root 15 whole divided by minus 7. So you can divide with denominator with the numerator, that is minus 19 by 7 plus into minus minus. So 5 by, so here write 5 by minus 7 into square root of 15, that is minus 19 by 7 minus 5 by 7 square root of 15. So what is this value here is? So what is the right hand side? The right hand side will be equal to a minus b root 15. So right hand side RHS will be equal to, RHS will be equal to a minus b root 15. So here compare this one. So minus 19 by 7 minus 5 by 7 root 15. So a is equals to what? Here a is equals to minus 19 by 7. Then b is equals to 5 by 7. So like this we need to solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.